Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily share your location on your iPhone 17 Pro. So at first we have to enter the Find My, and now we have to allow for everything that we have here. Allow while using the application, OK. Here now we have to tap this plus icon over here. Tap Share My Location, and now you have to enter the name of your contact. Let it be this one, and now, as you can see, may not be using Find My, but yes, you can click OK even though this person doesn't use Find My. But of course, it works only when you share it to a person that uses Find My and uses the iPhone. Then tap this blue tick icon, and here you have three options: for 1 hour, until end of a day, and indefinitely. The most popular one is indefinitely. Tap it, and now you can tap use. Tap OK, and as you can see, you can see your location. And actually, that's how it works. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave a like under this video. It's very important to us to have your feedback. As I said, that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.